Piny owacho oketo tenge omenda maromo siling bilion 9 masiro somo mag junior secondary. Jatend migao mar somo Ezekiel Machogu oyango ni sirikal biro chwalo siling gana 15 ne japuonjre ka japuonjre. Siling gana 4 omenda go ibiro tigo de gedo motenore kod chenro mag junior secondary.
Registration of candidates is the first step in administering an exam. And we are going to start the process on the 1st of February.
That the government will spend 9.6 billion on capitation grants to runners of junior secondary school for term 1 and term 2 of 2023, with each of them receiving an individual capitation of 15,000 per year. In the next financial year, the government will spend 18 billion for the junior secondary school runners capitation grants. Further to this, I now wish to state that of the 15,000 that will be released for each runner, 4,000 will be spent on the development of infrastructure, with the greatest priority being on reparatories. And here I want to assure Kenyans that indeed we are working very closely with members of parliament and chairman of the Committee on Education. I want to thank you for the initiative you have taken, such that as we give the 4,000 out of the 15,000 for building reparatories, I'm aware that members of parliament will also be able to set aside money out of CDF so that we are able to embark and ensure that we put up reparatory this year. I'm also happy that going forward, probably by next week, we will be able to make an announcement, because we are negotiating with the World Bank, where they will be able to give us some funds to put up about 7,000 also reparatories countrywide, such that as far as infrastructure is concerned, we will be ready to go.
Sani korijiwo jonyuol kod jopuonj mondo ne ni jopuonjre mabiro timo penj maduong' higa ni ondikore